Well, hi everyone. Welcome to the Buffett and Beyond Research Saturday Stock Market Recap, July 26, 2025. And remember, if you want to walk on this beach like Jimmy Buffett once did, you've got to learn how to invest even better than Warren Buffett does now. And this week, the market, well, the question is this market ever going to stop going up? Another great week with records on the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Are we near a top? And that's what a lot of analysts are asking right about now. And our weekly stock analysis video, well, General Electric is now 3 different separate companies. And we examined all 3 to see if they could fit into our portfolios. And 2 of them look very, very promising. Our ETF video, well, analysts are saying it's time to buy the health stocks, but we're just not sure about that. United Health seems to be in big trouble, and without this stock, we're not sure the health sector is ready to be bought. Meanwhile, our top stocks in the Nasdaq 100 portfolio continue to almost double the S&P for this year. And when we look at the oh boy, when we look at the S&P 500, we can see well, first of all, the red lines are called Bollinger Bands, and they are volatility bands. The center line is the S&P, is the 20-day moving average of the S&P 500. And you can see that we were steady in here for about 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden we just started drifting up once again. Very, very nice. We're near that top, and I'm recording this a little bit before the close, and the market is looking stronger as we get into the close. And down here, this indicator is in overbought territory, but boy, oh boy, as long as these lines stay parallel, we're doing well. And the S&P is up 37 points this week. And for the QQQs, well, that's the Nasdaq 100. We see the market making higher highs, but this last rally, it may not top this area right in here. But we've had that before, folks, and it indicated the market would fall, and it fell a whole 2 days, and then right back up again, and right back up again to overbought territory. The decline of 1 day, 1 or 2 days in here, and then all of a sudden we're back up here. If this turns down next week, it's a slight short-term sell signal. The problem is, well, I shouldn't say problem. The good thing is that this indicator down here, which is our stochastic indicator, is now pointing up. And what is stochastic? Stochastic means or in what part of the daily movement of the, in this case, the QQQs, does it close? In the top half or the bottom half? And with this indicator pointing back up again, it's in the top half, so it's gaining strength in here, actually. Now, when we look at the SPY is up 8 points this week. Wow, that's more than it was up last week. So you can see the market, and the SPY is what? 1/10 of the S&P 500. You can see this market is starting to gain strength. It's going faster and faster. And we have 3 puts for the portfolio, about 15% below the market. And we'll keep them there just so we can sleep at night. Now, the QQQs, they're up 6 points. QQQs is the Nasdaq 100. That's the symbol for the ETF. Up 6 points this week, or double what it was last week. So, yeah, we have 3 puts, 3 QQQ puts, which we like to use for our portfolios as the portfolios get more and more into the tech sector. And that's just the way the entire industry in this country is going. So, yeah, it's up again this week, and we just love it. So, folks, we had a good week once again. So take this weekend and go out and don't even think about the market. Just enjoy your family. Most of all, be safe. And, folks, we'll see you right back here in a couple of days.